Power tools to plant bulbs? Oh yeah! This is the Front Range Gardener, and spring is the time to plant summer flowering bulbs. Don't worry, you don't have to use power tools. Summer flowering bulbs add magnificent color to your garden. I find that lilies and gladiolas do particularly well in Colorado. Spring is the time to plant summer flowering bulbs. Dahlias and begonias can be started indoors in March. Here is a tuberous begonia that I started in mid-March. It is very frost tender and will live inside until June. Lilies like these stargazer lilies are hardy in the Front Range and will come back year after year. I like to plant these in April, and it is late April as I am recording this video. Gladiolas are usually not hardy in USDA Zone 5, which is most of the Front Range. I dig them up after the first fall frost. Here are some gladiolas that I dug up last fall. Because gladiolas are not as hardy as lilies, I will plant them in May. I have 3 tools that I use to plant bulbs. The first is this Hori garden knife. It has a handy depth gauge so you can measure the depth of your planting hole. The second tool is this bulb planter. It takes a dirt core out of the planting bed so you can place the bulbs. My third tool is this new bulb auger. This attaches to a power drill. I have never used this before, but I think I will like it. By the way, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. I'm going to show you how to use all 3 of these as I plant my lilies. The stargazer lily is Mrs. Front Range Gardener's favorite flower, so I'm going to add some to this raised bed. The first step in planting is to prepare the bed. See my video on planting spring bulbs for details. Next, find the planting depth for your bulbs on the package. For these lilies, the depth is 6 inches. Dig the hole using your tool. Place the bulb and cover it back up. Let me show you using the other tools. Now this bed is pretty soft. I may end up using the Hori knife for the whole project. Come over here, dig the hole. I like that bulb. Place the bulb and cover the hole. Oh, this thing's getting a little stuck. And finally, let's try the bulb auger. Dig the hole, place the bulb, and cover the hole. Now, because the soil in my planting bed was so soft, the Hori knife turned out to be the ideal tool to plant these bulbs. And sadly, my bulb auger just threw dirt all over the place. But the bulb auger will have a chance to redeem itself when I plant my gladiolas in a couple of weeks. And the final step is to water your bulbs thoroughly. And there you have it. Plant summer flowering bulbs this spring and you will enjoy magnificent blossoms and experience happy gardening.